Hello students, I am Ganesh Chaudhary from Gurukul Public School, Khairaligarh. This is the third video lecture for class 11th student and your subject is chemistry and your chapter name is chemical bonding. Okay, now we start the next topic, failure of octet rule. You know well about the octet rule. What is the octet rule? Octet rule say that any atom have the required number of electrons to complete its valence shell. The number of electrons in valence shell for completion of its octet, it is 8 electron. For one energy cell, only 2 electron. Okay, but this rule was the fail by the some molecule do not exist in this rule because they have more than 8 electron and less than 8 electron in valence shell. After that, those are stable molecule. Okay, so now see the failure of octet rule. There are several stable molecules known in which the octet rule is volatile. Volatile means झूठा साबित किया था उन्होंने. Atoms in these molecules have number of electrons in the valency shell either short of octet or more than octet, such as like BeCl2. You know well, in beryllium, number of 2 electrons are present in valence shell. Okay, number of 2 electrons. But in chlorine, number of 7 electrons in valence shell. Okay, chlorine required only 1 electron for complete its octet. Okay, so chlorine shared 1 electron with beryllium. Okay, both chlorine atom shared 1 electron with chlorine. Chlorine accept and donate 1 electron to beryllium. Now 8 electron in chlorine valence shell. Okay, 7 chlorine, 1 with beryllium. Okay, total is 8. But in beryllium, 2 electron of beryllium, but 2 electron are shared with chlorine atom, 2 chlorine atom. So total number of electron in valence shell is 4. But according to octet rule, कितना होना चाहिए था वैलेंस सेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन? 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए था. बट यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि बेरिलियम में ओनली कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 4. और आफ्टर दैट इट इज अ स्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल. So it follow the octet rule? No, it is the compound that fail the octet rule. Okay, next PCl5. You know well, number of valence electron in phosphorus is 5. Okay, and in chlorine number of valence electron is 7. Okay, so chlorine required 1 electron. So all chlorine atom accept the 1 electron from phosphorus and all chlorine atom to donate the 1 electron for phosphorus. It is the sharing 1 electron, 1 electron. Okay, but you see chlorine have the 8 electron after the bonding, but in phosphorus after the bonding have 10 electron, 5 from phosphorus and 5 from all chlorine atom. But according to octet rule, total number of electron required 8, but here the total number of electron in valence shell is 10. It is the not follow the octet rule. Okay, clear? Next, formal charge. What is the formal charge? It is defined as the difference between the number of valence electrons in an isolated means free state atom and the number of electrons assigned to that atom in Lewis structure. Okay, clear? Now see the formula of formal charge. Formal charge on an atom in a Lewis structure is equal to total number of valence electrons in the free atom. Total number of valence electron. Valence electron means number of electron in valence cell are known as valence electron minus total number of non-bonding electrons. Non-bonding electron is lone pair. Okay, pair or how many electrons in a pair? 2. Okay, but you also put the only number of non-bonding electrons. Okay, minus half total number of bonding electrons. Okay, example N2O. Okay, draw the Lewis structure. Number of atom nitrogen 2 and 1 atom of oxygen N2O. Okay, both nitrogen atom are shared 3 electrons, okay, with each other. Okay, so it form triple bond means covalent bond, but oxygen are required 2 electron, so these nitrogen atom donate the 2 electron for oxygen. Oxygen have only 6 electron. Okay, so oxygen accept the 2 electron from this nitrogen atom, okay, for complete of octet. So now see the formal charge on n atom, first nitrogen atom. According to formula, formal charge is equal to total number of valence electron in free atom. नाइट्रोजन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वैलेंस सेल में? 5. ओके, 5. लोन पेयर कितना होता है? पेयर मीन्स इसके पास कितना लोन पेयर है, या बोल सकते हैं आप टोटल नंबर ऑफ नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने थे इस पर? 2. 1 लोन पेयर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. और बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने इसके पास? 3 खुद के, 3 इस नाइट्रोजन के. टोटल कितने हुए? 6. ओके, सो फॉर्मल चार्ज टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 5, टोटल नंबर ऑफ नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 माइनस टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन 6 मल्टीप्लाई हाफ. यदि आप इसको सॉल्व कराओगे तो कितना निकल जाएगा? 0. सो द फॉर्मल चार्ज ऑन फर्स्ट नाइट्रोजन एटम इज 0. ओके, नेक्स्ट फॉर्मल चार्ज ऑन सेकेंड नाइट्रोजन एटम. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 5, लोन पेयर 0 because all electrons are bonded with other atoms. Okay, total number of bonding electron 8. Okay, so put in the formula. Formal charge is equal to number of valence electron minus number of non bonding electron. Non bonding electron is 0. Okay, minus 1/2 number of bonding electron 8. After the solving of this, you found +1. So central nitrogen atom have the +1 charge. Okay, and for the oxygen atom, valence electron 6. You know well, oxygen atom have the 6 valence electron. Lone pair on oxygen atom 3 and number of electron 6. Those are non-bonding, and total bonding electron is 2. Okay, so put in the formal charge formula. Number of valence electron 6, non-bonding electron 6 minus 1/2 number of bonding electron 2. After the solving, you get -1. So oxygen atom have the -1 charge. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.